Amber.
I'm Peter.
Today on Will It Blast, we're going to talk about some Thanksgiving serving ideas.
So we've been getting a lot of questions about wood and if you can sandblast wood. So today we're going to try bamboo. We've got a variety of bamboo. We're going to demonstrate this cutting board, and we have a mask ready to go. We're going to be using, this is R5, 5 mil thick, so we can go a little bit deeper on the wood. So Amber, what do you think? Do you think this will stick directly to the wood? Should we give it a try?
You can try it, Peter, but we may have to add a little bit of moisture to help the adhesion. We wouldn't want to apply any adhesive to this because it would ruin your substrate. But
Correct.
Moisture will not.
Yeah, if we put a little adhesive on there, you might actually see a border of it. The adhesive will soak into the wood, and we don't want that. So you can use water, a spray bottle of water, or we have our glass cleaner, and this will give a little bit of moisture on here. Just enough, and you'll take off any dirt that might be on there, dust. And I'm wiping it a little bit, but leaving it a little bit wet. Now we can put it on with the carrier, and it is sticking a little bit better, but we can also, if you want an easier way to take the carrier off, and now we can peel this carrier off, so we're working with just the raw film. And I'll lay that on here. Make sure it's straight. And I'm just going to press down with my hands. Use our wire wheel. This will help press the mask down as well. And I don't know if you can see, but it is pressing the mask in, and it's helping it adhere a little bit more to the wood. Anything else we should do, Amber?
Yeah, we could probably apply some heat to help get in the grooves of the bamboo, plus try to eliminate some of that moisture.
Great idea. We're going to use a blow dryer. This will heat up the mask and help the mask go into the pores of the wood and make it stick better. And now we're ready to blast.
We should probably tape it off a little bit, Peter, so we can protect that substrate. We don't want to ruin the outer edge of it.
Great idea. So we'll put a little bit of tape, use painter's tape on here so that when we're done sandblasting, we can just peel everything right off. With wood, you can also leave the mask on, and when you're done blasting, spray some paint. On this one, we'll see what the natural look looks like after blasting. Now we're ready to go. We're using 180 grit silicon carbide. You can use aluminum oxide. Sometimes silicon carbide will get into the wood and discolor the grain a little bit and cause it to have kind of a sparkly look. Some people like that. If you use aluminum oxide, you won't get that effect, but it won't cut as fast when you're sandblasting. With a coarser abrasive, like a 150 grit when you're working with wood, because it does take a little bit longer when you sandblast certain woods compared to glass or ceramic. So not all wood is the same. If it's sealed, any mass material will stick pretty well to it. Again, little heat, little moisture always helps. If it's not sealed, you may have to use a little adhesive, but the adhesive, depending on what you use, it might discolor the wood. Okay, so we used R5 to blast the wood. We do have other mask material. Ultra Pro is a little stickier. You may not need to put any moisture with Ultra Pro on there. But R5 worked well. It held well with a little bit of moisture and a little bit of heat. You can see how easy that comes off. You can just peel it right off and the big chunks will come off. You can see how it was sticking really well. So now we can wipe this off with water. Okay, so this is the piece cleaned up. We didn't put any paint in there, so you get the natural look. Again, a lot of people like that look. If you want to add color, we did the same process on this, this piece of wood, and I sprayed a black paint in there, let it dry overnight, and then peeled the mask off, and you'll get that look. Same image on the back of it without paint. So you get some contrast, but you get a little better contrast if you add paint. Of course, if you add paint and you're using this as a cutting board, it would have to be on the back side, the side you're not cutting on. So there you have it, folks. We sandblasted some wood. Now we know that wood
Will blast.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Look forward to the next time we see you. Why, hello. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Amber, and this is my sidekick, Peter.
Quit laughing at me.
I'm not laughing at you. That's what I always tell my kids. Shake it off. And today we're gonna talk about. No. What the heck was that?
You recording? Mm-hmm. That's fun. I ate and drank coffee.
Ate and drank coffee, huh? All right. Anyways.